Welcome back. We're here to get you started with Unit 3. This unit's going to focus on decoding and word recognition.
In this unit, we will be focusing on two main questions. First, we'll be thinking about what are the word analysis strategies and skills that children need to develop in grades K through 3. And second, we'll be thinking about what are the instructional approaches that we can use to help students master these skills.
So if we look back at our framework for the MOOC Ed, you'll see that this unit focuses in on the three elements of morphology, word recognition, and decoding. And of course, as we've talked about before, those elements relate to the earlier skills we mentioned, such as letter-sound relations, and also are helpful in thinking about the more advanced skills we'll talk about in Unit 4.
So as you're working through the materials in this unit, be sure to think about the things you've already discussed and read and viewed in the previous units and try to really link these ideas together to really help you think about word recognition.
In this unit, you're going to start out by reading the recommendation 3 from the IES practice guide. And then you're going to try out some of the content we'll be talking about by playing around with some of the skills that students need around decoding and word recognition to see what they experience when they're learning this content.
Just like in previous units, after that you will also be able to watch videos of classroom practice where teachers are using the recommendations from this unit with their children in both small group and whole class instruction. You'll discuss those videos with other people who are participating in this MOOC Ed, and then you'll also discuss some research that we will share with you that focuses on the important topic of word analysis of more complex words.
And we'll hear from our expert panel about the recommendation from the practice guide and related practices. And you'll get to demonstrate your own learning in Unit 3 by looking at a student's work around decoding and word analysis, analyzing their strengths and their areas for development, areas where you could teach them.
And of course, we will link you to other resources that you can consult if you want to dig deeper and extend the learning that you're doing as you work through this content. So let's jump in. Unit 3, here we go.